Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous Louis Vuitton for you. So this is the Louis Vuitton flower hobo. You can see we've got that little flower detail on the front with the Louis Vuitton padlock on it. We've got one top handle and then we've got this Louis Vuitton cloche attached to that top handle. You can see that's removable. And inside there we've got two keys for that padlock on the front. The main bag has a press stud fasten, magnetic press stud fasten, with that little flower again in there. We've got a suede lining, the lovely chestnut coloured suede lining to match that chestnut leather strap. We've got one zipped pocket in here. So that zipped pocket is just at the back there. And inside that zipped pocket we have the date code. So I'll open it up, so hopefully I'll be able to get it at an angle so you can see it. But it's just embossed into that little leather tab in the seam in that zipped pocket there. And then we also have one flat pocket just here, and that has actually got a turn lock fasten on the outside of the bag, so you unlock that padlock and then you can get into that flat pocket on the inside. So the condition of this flower hobo, we've called the exterior and the interior very good. It's in a really nice condition. Most of that canvas has no wear to it at all. It's just those corners that are showing a little bit of wear. So they've got a little bit of scuffing right on the, like, tiny little bit of wear right on those corners on each of those. But the rest of that canvas is in a really nice condition. And then there's just a little bit of creasing on that handle. But no particular marks other than that. It is in a really nice condition. And then the interior, again, you can just tell that it's not brand new. It's got a little bit of a mark and a scratch on the leather there, and a little bit of a scratch on the other side as well. But mostly that suede on the inside is really nice. There's a little bit of a mark just here, but other than that, there is no particular marks for me to show you in there. It's in a really nice condition again. And then the hardware we've called good. The padlock on the outside and those two keys and this flower here, they're all in a really nice condition. There's maybe hairline scratches to them, but nothing more than that. The reason we've called it good is just for this press stud on the inside. There's a little bit more scratching and you can see it's starting to discolour a little bit. You can see what that silver's coming through there. And so that is why we've called the hardware good. It comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then again we also have that removable cloche on the handle, and that has got the two keys, and we also have the Louis Vuitton padlock as well. So the exact measurements for this hobo are going to be on our website. The easiest way to find this bag on our website is to click the link in the description below. That link should usually take you directly to this bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you've been looking out for one of these, or you've seen it on our YouTube, or you've fallen in love with it, and then by the time you get to our website it's already gone, you can get on our request list. And it's really easy to do that. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know how much you'd love one of these, and we'll get you on that request list. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Get on there if you're interested in one of these. I'll show you the size on me. So I am a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and that leather top handle sits really perfectly. It's really comfortable on your arm, and this coated canvas is really nice. It feels quite moldable, so when you put it on your arm it kind of doesn't stick out awkwardly or anything. It just sits really comfortably there, and it's a lovely big size as well. You could fit loads in here, so it's a really gorgeous hobo. Go to the link in the description below again to have a look at it on our website. While you're on our website, you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. If you sign up to our newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. So don't miss out on that discount. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. And we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous bags.